Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a quick parsnip growing tip. So if you are growing parsnips or if you've never grown them before, perhaps you can consider it for next year. So parsnips are basically, they look like a white carrot if you haven't grown them before, but they're not carrots. But they take a really long time to germinate. They grow similarly to carrots. They can grow extremely long roots, ideally a single root if you have nice loose soil. However, they take a long time to germinate, way longer than carrots, for example. Now, in my experience, they'll take about 7 days, but it could be up to 3 weeks, depending on the conditions. If it's really, really dry, if you're not watering the soil, it could take longer. Now, when you plant your parsnips, don't give up. They will eventually germinate. However, it's really easy to lose track of where you planted them because of how long they take, to the point where you'll wonder, should I plant something else here? So I have a tip for you that you can do, and I'm going to flip the camera and show you what I've done to show you how easy it is to actually grow them. So let's get the camera flipped and I'll show you what I did to mark my rows and to utilize the space while I wait for the parsnips to grow to be able to grow something alongside it. So here we go. Okay, here's my rows of parsnips that I planted. I planted 3 rows here in this bed. Now, because they take so long to grow, had I not planted this crop that I'm going to show you in a second, I would have thought that they were not growing. However, take a look closely here. So you can see here that I've got radishes. Now the radishes I've grown here, and all the ones that you see here, they're kind of bigger and bushier. These are radishes, and radishes are ready to harvest in about 3 weeks, and parsnips are really, really slow emerging. So when I planted these parsnips in the same rows, I planted radishes throughout, and I used them as markers. So the radishes, they'll be ready for harvest in a couple weeks. In the meantime, the parsnips have emerged. So see those little seedlings right there? Those are the parsnips, and they've come up throughout. And my row markers, the radishes have done a really good job. There's the parsnips right there. See how slow they are? And you can see, you can compare the radishes, how much larger they are in these rows. So as these parsnips grow, they're alongside the radishes. The radishes are not interfering with their root development. They're just growing. And then as they get bigger, I'll harvest the radishes, opening up space for the parsnips to fill out, and they'll be able to continue growing. So that's my tip. So if you plant radishes alongside your parsnips and just space them out further than you would if you were to be growing radishes in a row, just to, because you'll have a furrow when you plant your parsnips, you'll lay them out in a row, and then in between just pop in the radishes, close the row, and then within 4 days you'll start seeing radishes emerging, and then literally 4 days later I saw the parsnips. Very, very quick in this case, but I did really keep this moist. I tried to give it really good waterings every day just to be sure that it was getting enough moisture. And then we had a couple of really good rainy days, and my radishes and my parsnips emerged. So that's it. That's my tip for growing parsnips. So hope you give that a try if you haven't done that already. And I look forward to chatting with you all really soon. If you like my video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And as well as please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to click the notification bell, as I will continue to post videos and I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. That's it for today. Happy gardening, everyone. Talk to you all again soon. Bye for now.